One of the things that I'm working on right now to figure out better is this camera. The lens that comes with it, the kit lens that comes with it, seems to do not as good as my regular EF-S lenses with the lens adapter. I don't know why that is. It seems like the facial tracking works better, the scenery tracking works better, but when you're vlogging like this, it seems to focus a lot better than when you're just regular running gun shooting with the kit lens. So I think this video test is kind of specific to this lens only. So as you watch it, don't really take it into full account because I don't know why, but for some reason the lens, this EF-S lens, the wide angle 10 to 18mm that I use right now, seems to run a lot better than my kit lens that comes with the camera stock. I do know that Canon pushed out some updates to this camera, but maybe it'll get better. So just keep that in mind when you're watching this. This is the 4K test with the kit lens that comes with the camera. And basically what happened was I took the camera to the mall, all stock body, all stock lens, no microphone on it, and I just went to town, recorded a bunch of video, and just tried it out from there. By the way, I have like 100 dogs in my neighborhood and they all bark at the same time, so I apologize. But yeah, I just want to give you guys that information before you watch the video. Don't be too disheartened with this camera, because that lens, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna shoot some running gun shooting to see how it looks with the wide angle 10 to 18mm in 4K with the focus as well. So let's go ahead and try that out. Okay, so I'm going to test out with my face, the focusing, and then we're going to turn it away. Back to me. I don't think it'll do the autofocus on the tree, unless even the selective focus doesn't work that well. We'll try out both. It's actually not too bad, so that's the selective focus. If I'm moving around, it does seem to look a little bit, but overall with the wide angle lens it seems like I'm in focus a lot more than not. Today we're going to head to the mall to do some video footage in 4K. I wanted to try out the 4K footage. I'm not sure exactly how this is going to go, where we're going to take the camera to, but we'll see what we can do with the little time that we have. It's about 6:45 right now, so maybe we can get a couple hours of video footage in. Another thing that's kind of an issue is the mall. For some reason, the last time I had a camera, they did not let me use my camera within the mall because they were worried about videography. So I'll probably be just using this as a regular camera and recording 4K video along the way. So the audio and the vlogging may not be there, but we're gonna do a video test anyway, so it doesn't really matter. All right, let's get to it. Let's go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna change over the video from the 1080p to 4K without image stabilization to test out the vlogging setup with 4K of the EOS M50, because mainly that's what everybody's curious about, is can you use 4K vlogging with this camera and the crop. So let's try it out. Okay, 4K vlog activated. This is the 4K footage. Hopefully it's not going to be too bad whenever we go to the mall. I'm in front of a pretty cool little light right here, so it's actually looking pretty good. The autofocus doesn't seem to be, I mean, it's bad, but it's bad. It should be better. I don't know why it's taking so long to focus. I'm just gonna chomp. Okay. Alright, that's part of my vlog now. Thanks, Jaden. Okay, we gotta let the kids in the van. The kids are sleeping. Let's load the kids. Also, just a heads up, I'm using the 10 to 18mm lens on this camera right now, just so you guys can see the wide angle for vlogging. I'll be doing more video footage with the 15 to 45, so it's gonna look a little different when I switch over to that lens, because it's more compact and it's not as obvious. This lens it's huge. Look how big this lens is on this camera. That's how big it is. So I gotta take it off. It's humongous. Okay, converting the 4K vlogging EOS M50 camera over to a regular photography camera so I don't get solicited by the security guards at the Concord Mills Mall. Conversion started. By the way, we're gonna continually shoot in 4K video without image stabilization just to get some 4K video footage. Okay, conversion complete. Now we're going to the mall. Huh? What's that?
That.
You want to go in the store?
Yeah.
You want something to drink? I got you candy.
Photoshop.
Want candy? Also, here's some quick video of the footage that I took today. Basically, I set the camera up on a tripod, let it record, and just get some scenery and colors as cars and people pass by. I just want to give you guys an idea of how it looks as the camera is sitting still in a stationary position. So here it is. This is the stationary video, as well as a few time-lapse videos.